Welcome to InnovaTree. Today we will discuss how to file for patent in foreign countries. As we all know, patent protection is jurisdiction specific. Hence, in order to protect your invention where you are making it, selling it, offering for sale or importing it, you may want to file the patent application in such countries. There are two ways to file a patent application in foreign countries. In case you do not see any reason to file the patent application in India, but you see the opportunity in a foreign land, or you need to file the application in a country before 6 weeks of filing in India. So, in this case, we have to take foreign filing permission from Patent Office. Once we receive the permission, we can file the same in the intended country. Second scenario is filing the application after 6 weeks of filing in India. In this case, we have two choices. One is the conventional application. We can file patent application in conventional countries within 12 months from Indian filing date. Choice number 2 is PCT application. PCT stands for Patent Cooperation Treaty, which is administered by the World Intellectual Property Organization, and it has 152 contracting states. In PCT filing, we can file PCT application within 12 months of Indian filing date, and we can get extra buffer of 30 months from Indian filing date to file in PCT member countries. But in case the intended country is not a PCT member country, for example Bangladesh and Taiwan, then we have to follow the conventional way of foreign filing. This 30 months become crucial to take decision as it gives you more time to explore your market on a global scale. Find the licensees for the foreign patent rights. As PCT application is automatically subject to both search and examination, it allows you to assess the prospects of actually obtaining granted patents and potential scope of protection. PCT also streamlines the prosecution, so you only have to appear in a single patent office, thereby reducing the number of objections that will need to be addressed later before individual patent offices, thus lowering the prosecution costs. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share and subscribe to our channel. You can also find our social media handles in the description below, and for more details feel free to contact us.